Hello everyone, this is Developer Zubair. In today's video, I will show you how I develop the calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and now deploy it live on the internet for free. I will use GitHub to store the project files and Vercel to deploy the website without buying any hosting plan. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to take your own project live and share with the world. Now see this is website completely developed on the HTML, CSS and JS. Financial page, the mortgage calculator, and when I click on it, okay, so here first put the values like example 4,000 down payment, 2.5 interest rate and loan amount is 1540. Calculate mortgage, this is calculate all the things. You can see monthly payment 576.88 and all these things showing. So when someone visit and want to calculate the mortgage amount, so simply give amount, the values, calculate button, then the result showing advantages and limitations about the mortgage calculator. Here are other calculator, fitness and calculators, BMI, math calculators, other calculators, age calculator. These are the things and this is other about section about page, and this is the contact us page. Now this is the home page of the calculator, and now it's time to move on the GitHub to login. So here you can see I simple search GitHub login. Now click on the sign into GitHub. Here you can see my GitHub dashboard. Simple click on the new repository to create a file. Here give the name whatever your project name, like my project name is calculator website, I give. After that scroll down and click on the create repository to create your repository. After that import the files. Okay, so if you are a new on my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed the channel, like the video, subscribe the Developer Zubair. Here you can see, watch related about websites like coding websites, CMS or any type of the website, resolve the solutions and how to develop and design the website pages, posts and other things, and how to deploy or connect with the like Google services or other things with plugins and without plugins on the coding website. So this is very important. If you need any question to ask, so you can in the comment section ask the question or on the social media accounts. Take care for that till next video.